I have this aluminum pot that I want to shine. I wanted to get it to something like this or that. As you can see on the inside, it's just looking bad. I actually forgot I had this pot and took it over one of my cousin's houses, and it's been over there for almost 8 years. They finally brought it back, so I want to use this pot. But as you see, it's ugly. It's one of the ones that I would normally put on the burner, boil something on it. But I'm going to attempt to get this pot clean and shiny. I don't know which method I'm gonna use, but let's get started. Before we get started, there's the pot. We're gonna look at that. Remember this picture, because that's what I'm gonna be doing this reference on. Okay, I just did a little test to see which cleaning route I'm gonna go with. This is a Brillo, a copper Brillo pad, and this is Barkeeper's Friend. Barkeeper's Friend was a little easier, but the Brillo pad, it kind of got the surface better. I think I'm gonna go with I'm just gonna go with the Barkeeper's Friend here. It was easier, and it looked like it'll get the inside the way that I'm trying to get it for this part right here. So let's set up the cameras, and we're gonna go with Barkeeper's Friend. I don't know that Brillo pad. I don't know. This, it feels smoother. I'm rubbing my finger on it. That's the Brillo pad. This is Barkeeper's Friend. You can hear it. So I'm gonna go with the Brillo pad. I kind of changed my mind on this. I'm gonna do both. Barkeeper's Friend and the Brillo pad. Reason is, I figured I can get it as clean as I can with the Barkeeper's Friend. Then I'll go over it with the Brillo pad. This afterwards, to kind of get that little polish that I'm looking for. So this is the Barkeeper's Friend here. You can see that. And I am going to stir this baby. And I'm going to see how it looks from the Barkeeper's Friend first. Then, if I don't like the way that looks, I'm going to follow that up with the Brillo pad. Stop running my mouth and get the scrubbing. I just want my pot to lose here. And really, I have nothing else to do today. This is what happens when you have all your work done. I think I have the inside where I want to see. not need to do that yellow pad, but I just want to see how this look first. I'll tell you all something, that Barkeeper Friend, if you all haven't used it or curious on it, on how it works, I would say go out and get some. Get your a container. Okay. It kind of looked like what I thought it was going to do. It just got it clean, but it didn't put a shine on it like I wanted. And it's kind of what I did expect. So I am going to follow this up with the Brillo pad. And I just want to get a shine on the inside. So let me get the scrubbing on this. Yeah, I didn't like the way that was going. I think this was a little too aggressive. So I'm going to, it did what I wanted it to do. I only did this one side, but I think I need a finer, like an SOS pad. So I'm gonna see if I have one laying around, and I'm gonna come back to see if I can find something that's a little finer than this. I found some 600 grit sandpaper and some 800 grit sandpaper, and that's what I'm gonna use here. I just want to put a little finish and shine on it, a little better than what that was. And this is what I'm rubbing here. You guys can see that? That's what I'm trying to get up here. So I'm gonna rub this in. See if I can get the polish that I'm looking for. This is on the outside, the inside. Then I'm gonna work on the outside. So why am I doing this? And why would I use this sandpaper? It's a pot. What I'm gonna put in this thing is probably gonna be small crab boil. Yeah, I won't have to use the big pots. This is lighter. We did some soup the other day, and that was for 35 people. And we used the big pots on that for Mardi Gras. This right here, this is going to be for St. Patrick's Day. We're going to be doing some cooking for St. Patrick's Day. And when I saw this pot, I said I can use this pot. And we might do a small seafood boil. I think this is getting the luster that I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, you all see what I'm doing. I'm turning the camera off so I can get in these corners, scrub this, and I'm gonna come back. Tell you all something. put some elbow grease off in this thing. And I think I'm liking the results. This is your inside. So this is the inside. I hadn't got the outside. This probably has taken, I'm gonna say 15 minutes. And that's just to get the inside done. So we're gonna show you what those 15 minutes have done. Now that looks nice. It looks really nice. That's on the inside. What I'm gonna do now is work on the outside, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I kind of like the way that this look. I'm gonna do it with the Barkeeper's Friend, and then follow up with 600, and then I'm gonna polish it. Let's get that done. I had this and Barkeeper's Friend right there. We're just gonna start on the outside this time. You know, this stuff really works. Barkeeper's Friend. I'm telling you all that this stuff works. You just saw it. Look at that. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, but this is the part I just did. You see that? That's the old part. That's the new part. So this shouldn't take long. This is done with that Barkeeper's Friend. So I do have the shine that I'm looking for on that. And this is still with the 600 grit paper. I am going to see if I can put a shine on this before I polish it. Now I'm going to polish this with Mother's. I put that soap on it to kind of help it slide across. Y'all something. The way that this is looking with this 600 grit, I might skip using the Mother's. I might do this, go over this again with the 800 grit. This is just the outside. I just really need the outside shiny. I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna go over with the Mother's because I want it to be polished. This is shining up. I can see the shine through. I can't see the shine. You all gonna see it too in a second. It's gonna really tell my age. There was a commercial out when I was coming up. Shine on 409. It's got that shine. Y'all remember that. You all might be as old as I am. I think I have the look that I'm looking for. Not bad. Not bad. Pot. It looks great the way it is. Look at that. This is the inside. It's actually shiny and clean. But I want it polished. This is your mother's polish. And it's for aluminum polish. And that's an aluminum pot. See there? Aluminum polish. So, get you a rag. And we're gonna dab it here. Just get a little. And we're gonna start rubbing this in here to get the polish that I'm looking for, the shine that I'm looking for, that deep luster shine. You can see it coming. Now I'm gonna show you all something. You see that? That's unpolished and that's polished. So I am going to do this whole pot off camera because I can't hold the camera and polish at the same time. So I'm gonna do that, and when I finish, I'm gonna bring the camera back to the pot and show you all what I'm doing before I do the final polish. Actually, you all see this. This is while I'm talking. I'm gonna give you all a preview just to show you what I'm doing. That is a mirror. That's the old. That's the new. And that is a mirror shine right there. You all see that? So I'm gonna shine the mess out of this pot. I think I like that a lot better than looking all dirty. So now when we place this on one of the burners, we don't have to have that ugly inside, and we have a shiny outside. This is the same pot. This is the same pot. It's just polished now. And now we have the pots that I wanted to do the comparisons with. Does it stand up? I think it does. It's not a stainless steel polish, but it is a polish. It looks better than it used to look. It's stainless steel aluminum. The insides look great. Like you want to cook something that you actually do want to cook in it, as opposed to what it looked like earlier. So now since it's clean, I can focus on keeping it cleaner. And I think it'll look nice once we put it on the burners and have a nice clean looking pot. Thanks for watching these videos. There you go. Come back and check out some other videos I'm going to be posting. And have a great day. Thank you.